Welcome to this demonstration of the PragmaDev process BPMN performance analyzer. The objective of a performance analysis is to ease comparison of results from different BPMN simulations. The different simulation scenarios can be combined with different resource definitions, and results from all couples can be compared with each other to help you decide on the best scenario resource couple. If you want to learn more about BPMN simulation in PragmaDev process, you can watch our other tutorials linked in the video description. For this demonstration, we will use a pizza delivery model. So let's open it. The customer makes an order and waits for the pizza to be delivered. If the delivery takes longer than 30 minutes, the customer will complain. The vendor contains 3 lanes describing the roles. The clerk receives the orders and handles customer complaints. The chef prepares the pizza, and the delivery boy delivers the pizza to the customer. To perform an analysis on our model, we need some scenarios. The Scenarios editor can be accessed via the Simulation menu and then Simulation Scenarios. 2 simulation scenarios have been already created, one named Bike Delivery and the other Car Delivery. The difference between the two is in the method of delivery, as suggested by their names. Delivery by bike costs less than delivery by car. However, in general, it takes longer to deliver the pizza to the customer. Let's have a quick look at the simulation parameters of the task Make the Pizza. To do so, right-click the task and go to Simulation Properties. Here we can see that the time needed for making a pizza follows a triangular distribution, with a mode of 10, minimum of 8 and maximum of 15 minutes. Also, a single resource with the role chef is needed for this task. We can now close the Properties Inspector and the BPMN editor. Now we need some resource definitions for the analysis. 2 definitions have been added to our project. Let's have a look. Both definitions contain resources of type cook and unqualified. The cook can either be in the role of a chef or a clerk, while the unqualified can be either a clerk or a delivery boy. The first resource definition contains 1 resource cook and 1 resource unqualified. The second definition contains 1 resource cook and 2 resources of type unqualified. Everything is now ready to perform an analysis. For this, I will add a performance analysis configuration file to the project. I will name it Analysis and select the right type from the list. Let's open the newly added file to edit the configuration. We can see that the configuration is empty at the moment. Let's add some resources to the analysis. I will select all available resource definitions by holding Shift and clicking on them. Next, let's add the scenarios. Same as with the resources, I will select both scenarios, the bike and the car delivery. Notice how the results table is populated automatically. These are the result requests common to all selected scenarios. It is possible to combine these results to create custom weighted results. Let's create one. I will give it a name, then include the unit cost of the vendor process with a weight of 1, and the count of the task count customer with a weight of 1. I will also request for the count result to be normalized. This means that instead of including the actual absolute value of the result, in this case count, the value will be divided by the number of instances of the vendor process, or simply put, by the number of pizza orders. This normalization ensures correct comparison between different scenarios. With this custom combined result, I am trying to find the best resource scenario couple in terms of cost and quality of service, meaning as few customer complaints as possible. Both cost and quality of service have equal importance, hence they were assigned the same weight. Let's add the custom weighted result to the configuration. Everything is ready for running the analysis, so let's do that. Observe the progress of the simulation in the background for every couple resource scenario. The analysis is done. Let's have a look at some results. Here are the values of the elapsed time for the vendor process. Car delivery with 2 unqualified resources performs best, and bike delivery with 1 unqualified performs worst. Let's check the unit cost of the vendor process. We can see that the cost is very scenario dependent. That is, bike delivery performs better than car delivery. And what about the quality of service? For this, let's check the count for the task calm customer. Once again, car delivery with 2 unqualified resources performs best, and bike delivery with 1 unqualified performs worst. The same is true also for its normalized form. Finally, let's have a look at the custom weighted result, which combines cost and quality of service. Car delivery with 2 unqualified is not the best performer anymore. The best performer overall, for both cost and quality of service combined, is bike delivery with 2 unqualified resources. The worst performer is car delivery with 1 unqualified resource. That's it for this quick demonstration. Thank you for watching.